All right, working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Gonna be the new car. Tonight we got the intake manifold back on. It turned out that this sensor, having to do with vacuum, didn't have to be installed beforehand. In fact, I'll put it on afterwards, but the bracket did have to go on ahead of time. Alright, then this is probably for your alternator, I believe, here, but that goes right there. Yeah. This is your plug that's going to go into the sensor right here. Coil pack's got to come up still. That's the correct placement of the bolts. Alright. Oh man. Still got a ways to go. This hasn't been tightened into place. It looked like it's sort of lined up, but not exactly yet. But we'll get to that wrestling match later. I believe both of these will be going to, oh man. It says intake here, but that looks like, God. Wow. Not sure yet. Could be having a problem there. Because it doesn't look like that's long enough to go where I need it to go. All right. Anyway, I'll mess with that later. Looks like I might have just made a lot more work for myself. But that's how it goes. I may actually be removing that to work on that wiring harness some more to get those to plug in. So I guess I'm just going to have to dream about that for a while, because that's it for today. So now you see the kind of stuff you got to go through to make things like this happen. Wow. Anyway, this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.